Ano ang masasabi ko sa kwento ni Angelica Panganiban na not winning the MMFF, right? This year. Well, it's hard, kasi deserving talaga naman silang dalawa, no? Si Cristela and Angelica, and it's just mabuti din na pinagbigyan din naman si Cristel, no? Kasi mahirap din sa mga guys, yung may ka ba, no? Hindi ka I would say just special. We'll just call them special, right? Special si mahirap yan sa sa acting. Tsaka yung awareness mo, 'di ba? Kasi may iba silang talaga. They have different they have different pag-iisip ba. Actually, yan mga hypersensitive yung mga autistic, no? And tsaka, din siya. At least, no, at pinagbigyan, which is really good. It's a different, different, ewan ko, parang, it's a change, Parang, nag-iba tayong situation ng award, no? At saka, actually, para sa akin, tayo naman silang dalawa. No? Hindi ko pa napanood yung movie, no? Pero sa mga mga short lang, parang deserving naman silang kahit 'di ba? Pero marami ding namang awards yung ni Angelica, yung movie niya, no? Maraming na-get na awards kasi nga maganda naman ang story. So, yun lang masasabi ko na maganda na pinagbigyan din yung mga special people kagaya ni Cristel, no? At saka din naman si Angelica, marami din naman siyang award dati, no? Pero it's a comeback, right? Pero hindi naman lose kasi pinakita niya talaga na magaling talaga siya. So, tsaka nominated, di ba? So, it's a good thing. Lang naman yan, points na difference, no? Ang points lang naman. So, both of them are magaling. So, wag na natin yang ipaglalaban. Kasi maganda din naman ang stories ng both movies. So, yan. We'll stick to that. So, wag na nating pagbigyan ng other meaning kasi on the acting side, both of them naman magaling. So, that's it. That's it for my reaction video for the awards, that was placed 2 days ago. And yeah, they deserve what they deserve. And ma-impress din naman yan sa mga tao kung talaga, diba? So, iba-iba naman silang path. Yung si Cristel is different path. Hindi naman talaga siya, diba? Iba yan. Konti lang yung mga chances. So, pinagbigyan. So, that's really good. Na, nag-ima na talaga yung at least reality. Diba? So, which is good. Yung natutuwa ako. So, that's it. Bye.